Hi, this is Mike Wagner with a new SyncTwin kit extension. The MQTT example demonstrates how to update a digital twin asset with live data from an MQTT subscription. So as always, we search for the extension in the third-party tab and activate it. So we get this little GUI. First, we can load a sample model, here a forklift from the NVIDIA asset set. And we want to move this fork with updates from the MQTT topic. So let's subscribe and connect to the MQTT broker. Here it's a public broker from the Mosquito organization. So whenever the forklift fork position changes, we will see it. We can also enter a new value for the position here manually in this edit line. But as soon as we get new data from the MQTT topic, it's updated. Since we don't have a real forklift, we'll emulate the fork position using a little Jupyter Notebook script here in Python. It basically creates a little slider which generates MQTT update messages on the topic. And you can see the fork moving accordingly. We've created a Medium article with a tutorial. And for more information, please visit our website, synktwin.ai or epolog.ai.